I'm gonna show you how you can mass delete pictures out of your Instagram account. Sometimes we have to do this so our feed looks better and it doesn't have a lot of pictures, and sometimes we don't like the pictures that we published in the past anymore, and if we have a lot of them, this is a good and easy way to delete all those pictures that we don't like anymore. So I'm gonna get out of Instagram. I'm just gonna go to the cleaner app, open it, and you have to log in with your username and your password, and then you're gonna see a screen like this. You only have to go to the bottom where it says media, tap on it, and it's gonna show all your pictures. As you can see right here, it's the same pictures that I have in my Instagram account. So let's pretend that I don't like these pictures anymore, so you can select the pictures in different ways so you can delete them. So the first simple way is just tap on each picture, and as you can see, it's gonna turn blue. So that's one way that you can select it. If you don't have a lot of pictures, that's so easy to do. But if you have more pictures, you can actually select 3 photos at the same time with 3 fingers. So that way is faster, and that's a good way if you don't wanna delete all your pictures but you wanna delete a lot of them. So the other way is just to go right here on the bottom where it says quick select, tap on that and select all. Let's pretend that you want to start from 0, you want to start fresh, but you want to keep your Instagram account, you just want to delete the photos. You can just do that, select, and then go to actions and delete. Since I don't want to make a mistake, I'm just gonna deselect. You can also do that, just tap right here and everything's gonna go back to normal. So but let's pretend that I already have like 300 pictures that I wanna erase. These are the 300, right? Let's pretend. And then I'm just gonna go to actions and then tap on delete, and you're gonna have 2 different options right here that are useful. So you're gonna have the first option right here is start now, and of course if you have 3 pictures that you don't like and you wanna delete them, this is okay. You can just tap on start now and it's gonna erase those pictures, no problem. So but I don't recommend that if you have like a lot of pictures that you have to delete, because if you wanna delete 3 pictures and you select 1 picture in your Instagram account, you have to select the picture, open it, and then go to the 3 dots and then delete. So that's gonna take a lot of time, so we have to use this app to avoid that. So you just have to go to the same menu, actions, and delete. So let's say that you wanna erase 300 pictures, just go to the add to local memory, tap there, and now in the app there are 3 actions that are gonna take place in the future. So let's pretend that I have 300 actions. If you want to start deleting your pictures, you just have to tap on actions and then execute local actions, and the app is gonna ask you once again. You can say yes, no. If you tap yes, your app is gonna start deleting pictures. It's gonna delete 40 pictures every time you try this method. So the app keeps track of that because Instagram doesn't like to automate any actions. So the app is gonna take care of that. So I recommend that you execute all these actions like once every hour, so you stay safe and you don't get in trouble with Instagram and your Instagram account stays healthy. But that's the way you can erase a lot of pictures. In the past I had like more than 2,000 pictures in my account because I started my account as personal, and now I'm doing some stuff that is totally different. I have few of those pictures of my pictures right here on the bottom, but now as you can see it's totally different. But that's the easy way to do it. If you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.